Here we go. Okay, never mind. I'll have to show you after.
I said, this is your final warning. Give me your credit card information or I'll give you my croissant.
Jimmy,
You guys don't
why
think it
my
meant Chris, I meant-
pee hard?
Jimmy, is I supposed to be peeing mayo?
Jimmy! Yeah, oh, never mind.
I'll get banned from the server if I say that.
Jimmy, I started peeing mayo, so I made a sandwich. It was extra salty.
Go ahead, kid. Thanks.
Jimmy, I started peeing mayo, so I made a sandwich. It was extra salty. Jimmy, I don't think it was mayo.
Hey, Jimmy, I like
Oh no!
I'm bleeding out of my pee-pee. No.
Yes, can I say the N-word? Knock yourself out. Thanks,
Jimmy.
Over here, Carl.
Jimmy,
Where are you, Jimmy?
Jimmy, I'm gonna say the N-word.
Jimmy, no point paint on yourself. That does not allow you to say the N-word.
Oh no, my N-word pass expired 3 days ago.
Chris, what the hell?
You turned yourself into a pickle. I
I
can't
missed the checkpoint.
Jamie, why is your mom so hot?
Jimmy, I wanna lay the croissant with your mom.
Jimmy, I will totally hate your mom. She's kinda sick.
Jimmy, I will put mayonnaise
I'll
in
fucking
my
leave this
mouth.
call in a second. Oh my god.
So much Carl. myself.
Jimmy, I started peeing red.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
don't think
do it.
it's normal. It burns.
Where's the rope?
Jimmy, I love
Jimmy, I think your mom gave me an STD.
Oh my god.
A mix of Carl and Toad.
Jimmy,
Yeah,
I got
that sounds like-
Jimmy, it turns out that Sheen was right and I'm pregnant.
She told me to put my heart in the bag and nobody gets hurt. Now I'm coming for your love. I'm not fat, but I'm
how the fuck can you do that with your voice for so fucking long?
I don't know. It's like I can't do any good voices other than Carl.
Yeah, same.
I can do Swagger Souls, but not everyone knows Swagger Souls. So
Yeah, I know.
If you're white,
do it.
you're good at
Mario.
Mario automatically.
So we're sitting here talking about knee gears, and
you suck at Swagger Souls.
hey, you should hear shotgun.
He
Holy
kinda sounds like it.
You should hear shotgun. Oh my god, recording with him. We kept calling him Swagger Souls during the Among Us video. It was so fucking funny. He got so pissed. He literally just like if he started going for the same voice as I do, he could actually sound like he could be a doppelganger.
Jimmy, no one cares.
I'm about to mute half the fucking people. Actually, no, not even half.
Who cares about your Among Us
The whole
video?
server.
Is this just fantasy?
Chris, how do you feel? I almost laughed.
Kristen, this is your last warning.
Do we escape from reality?
Sound like you were in a pizza burger.
I'm gonna take my horse to the
I'll burn your ride.
Yo, Chris, how do you feel? I almost laughed at you.
Never gonna let you down. Never gonna turn around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say
Jimmy, I think your mom gave me chlamydia. I have a weird
your
rash.
mom gave me syphilis. I want to go play fuck this shit. I'm gonna go play Minecraft Aether mod as Carl Wheezer.
Yes.
Yes.
We're going to the Aether. I tried this 7 years ago, but it didn't work.
I think
Yo,
I got
who here knows the
Jimmy,
pain?
you wanna go
Who
to
here
the
knows the
altar?
pain of going on fucking Minecraft Pocket Edition at like 5